Alright, this is Bammy. Today I'm going to show you how to fry Bammy. Bammy is cassava mixed up with some other rest of stuff and pound together to bring this. So take 4 and kind of cut them in quarters, serve in proportion. Next step, let's take some coconut. About a cup of water, and let's add some coconut powder to it. If you don't want to go through the process of making coconut, traditionally they use coconut milk, but I don't use coconut milk, so I'm using I don't like cow's milk, so I'm using coconut milk. Just pour it in inside and cut it in quarters. Soap, milk. That's the idea. Alright, so let's stay for like a minute or two. I'm going to soak some more. Put to eat a pot for frying. Once it's dry, add oil. Allow it to get hot. Add oil. About a 1/4 cup. Oh, put the stove gauge on high and use a frying pot. Just take it out and just let it sit for a little while. If you're in a yard with fire, with wood fire and all them things, they could have just take it out of this and drop it in there. Just let it run off and then drop it. A minute or two until you see a little smoke. You just take these and you gotta allow it to fry on one side. Stove's gauge is on high. In order for this to work, you gotta put the stove on high. After about a minute or two, just use the fork and don't lift it in, just feel where it's at. Like this one can move, just let it stay. This one can move. Just let it stay. That's 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes. Alright, once you flip it, you gotta let it stay because it's gonna stick. So that was 3 minutes. Just to note something about the coconut milk. Usually you would use enough coconut milk so you can immerse the bammy in it, so it soak for about a minute or two. No more than that because it's gonna break out. Maybe a minute. And if you put the stove on high, the bammy won't suck up the oil. That's why it's important to keep it on high. Just kind of flip them after. That was 4 minutes. Actually 5, sorry, 5. Smaller piece, you can remove those. And I can go and fry another one. That was like 6 minutes. Just look, it took 6 minutes to fry this. Bammy, Jamaican cassava fritters. I don't know. Cassava, bread, dumpling, bammy. Bammy's right in it. Ventilate properly, man, because into this house is full of smoke. Alright, I'm gonna let this fry. It's the end of that. This is the one you need to see. Bammy. Stick some salt. Optional. See, so when you fry it so fast, look, the coconut milk is soaked in the middle, see? So when you bite it, it's like you taste the coconut milk in it. And if I had used milk, you would have tasted the milk.